Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your EVS course book. Open your EVS course book, page number 46. Open your EVS course book, page number 46. What is a want? Amma, yesterday I explained you about you need. What is a need? Need means basic needs. Basic needs are essential to our body. Basic needs are essential to our survival. Without the basic needs, we can't live. We may die. Without the basic needs, we may die. Today, I am explaining about the want. Want is a want is something we should like to have but can live without. It is absolutely necessary for our survival. Sorry, it is not absolutely necessary for our survival, but it increases the quality of living. Wants differ from person to person. Want is something. Want means want is something we should like that. Want is a something we should wish for. We like that. Understand me? Want is something we should like that. We should want that.
Meeting not attending your daughter.
But can live without. It is not absolutely necessary. But it is not necessary to us. Want is not necessary. Want is necessary to us. Basic needs are important to us. Without the basic needs, we may die. But without the wants, we may not die. Wants are not essential. Wants are not important to us. Wants are not important to us. But nowadays, one by one, the wants are increasing. Our wants nowadays, our wants are slowly increasing. Slowly, our wants are increasing. మన కోరికలు ఎప్పుడు పెరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. Okay, next. Here, what is a want? Meaning is given. Want is unlimited. Want is competitive. Want is complementary. Want is recurring. Want is recurring. Want is relative. Want is alternative. Want is gradable. These are the meanings of the want. Okay, first of all, unlimited. Human wants are unlimited and ever increasing. When one want is satisfied, another want takes its place. A person who is using a bicycle may want a bike. After buying a bike, he may dream about having a car. Unlimited. Wants are unlimited. Our human wants are unlimited. If you have one want, if you have one want, it is satisfied. ఒక కోరిక ఉందిరా, అది satisfy అయిపోయింది. You have that. Then one more want may replace of this. Understand me? If we have one want, it was satisfied. Then in the same place, one more want you may have. Example, a person is having a bicycle. A boy is having a bicycle. What is his want? Having a bicycle. What is his want? Having a bicycle. Now he has bicycle. Bicycle వచ్చేసింది. Okay? Want fulfill అయిపోయింది. His want is fulfilled. Then after that again, after having the bicycle రాగానే మళ్ళీ ఏం కోరుకుంటుంది? I want a bike. Understand me? His want again what is want now? Bicycle. Bicycle want again changed into bike. Again Again, if he has a bike, again his want changed into a car, having a car. Like that, there is no satisfaction. There is no satisfaction to us. One another. One, if one want is satisfied, another one take place. Another want is satisfied, one more want is taken place. Like that, our wants may prolong. There is no limit. That's what they are, unlimited. Okay? Next. Competitive. With the money at our disposal, we can satisfy only a few wants of our choice. We can offer either buying new clothes for the family or holiday trip. Competitive. There is a competition in the wants also. There is a competition. How? With our money, I have less money. I have less money. With that money, I have two wants. I have to, what is that? Going to a trip. Going to a trip and having the new clothes. Buying the new clothes. Two wants are there. There is a competition in the wants. Which one I have to select? Now I have two wants. What are the two wants? Going to a trip and having the new clothes. There is a competition in the wants with our money. ఏ చేయాలి అని అక్కడ మనకి కన్ఫ్యూజన్లో పడేస్తుంది. There is a competition in the wants. Next. Complementary. Some wants create other wants to satisfy the want for a comfortable living. A house alone it is not enough. It creates wants for furniture also. Amma, house is a basic need. I want a beautiful building. It is my want. I want a big building. It is my want. If after having a big building, after having a big building, we will think about all the furniture which we will keep in our want. Means one want is asking for another. Okay? Like that, our wants may increase and increase and increase. Next, recurring. A particular want fully satisfied at a point of time reappears after a period of time. Cold drinks and fast foods are some examples. Amma, like that same recurring means one want is satisfied. We may think about another want. Recurrent means in one place one more came and our mind is changed into another want. If another want is satisfied, again your mind is changed into another want. Okay? Relative. Certain wants are relative to time and place. They change from time to time, from person to person and from place to place. We want woolen clothes during winter and cotton clothes during the summer. Some wants are changed into period of time. Some changes change into time to time and place to place and period to period. In some season, in the rainy season, we want raincoats and gumboots like that. That is the time. If after rainy season we make it the winter season. In the winter season, we need the woolen clothes. After the winter season, summer. In the summer season, we need a cotton clothes. Like that, our wants may often changing from time to time and place to place. Okay? Alternative. Some wants can be satisfied with substitutes. Thirst can be satisfied by drinking either cold drinks or coconut water or fruit juice or water. Alternative. We have a lot of alternatives. I am feeling thirsty. here I am feeling thirsty. I can choose drinking of water. I can choose cool drinks. I can choose coconut water. I can choose fruit juices. Like that, lot of options are there. Instead of water. Water is a basic need, no? Water is a basic need. Instead of the water, we may have lot of choices. We may have the alternatives like coconut water, fruit juice, cold drinks, like that. To satisfy our thirst, we may have lot of options. మన థర్స్ట్ని సాటిస్ఫై చేయడానికి మనం ఒక వాటర్ తాగడమే కాదు, మనకి ఇంకా చాలా ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏమున్నాయి? డ్రింకింగ్ ఆఫ్ కూల్ డ్రింక్స్, coconut water, fruit juices. Like that, lot of choice are there. They are the alternatives. And gradable. Some wants are more important than other wants. Therefore, wants are graded and satisfied on basis of their importance. To show our importance, to show our grandness, we may think about fridge, TV, smartphone. Like that, we may think about the branded items. That is also a want. A need sustain you and a want entertain you. A need support you physically. A need support you physically. A want entertain your life. Why we need wants? We need wants to entertain ourselves. Why we want a TV? TV is a want only. Why we need that? Why we need a smartphone? What they are doing? They are entertaining us. They will give entertain to us. Means wants entertain us. Wants change over a period of time, whereas the basic needs may not change considerably. But nowadays it is difficult to demarcate a need or a want due to changing lifestyle, quality of life and urbanization. Actually, Nana need a want change. Wants are changed over a period of time. Now you are a small boy. You are a small boy. You may think about the new dresses, new clothes, other cycle. You need fast food, like that. You may have less. You are a small boy now. You chinna కోరికలు ఉంటాయి. When you grown up, again your wants may change. You may think about your big building, a car or bike, like that. When always the wants are changed from period to period. నువ్వు చిన్నగా ఉన్నప్పుడు చిన్న కోరికలు ఉంటాయి, నువ్వు పెరిగాక ఇంకా వేరే వాంట్స్ ఉంటాయి. లైక్ దట్ ఆల్వేస్ ద వాంట్స్ మే చేంజ్ బట్ ద నీడ్స్ ఓన్ చేంజ్. Nowadays it is very difficult to satisfy our wants in the urbanization. What will you do if you want an ice cream? If you are sick, if you want shoes, if you want a haircut, we require some goods and services to satisfy our needs and wants. Goods are the things that are made or grown, which we buy to use or consume. These are the physical objects that can be touched. Some goods can be used again and again. These are all your wants. If you want an ice cream, you may buy the ice cream. If you are sick, you will go to the hospital. That is a basic need. If you want shoes, you may buy shoes. That is a want. If you want a haircut, you may go to the barber. That is the need only. Like that, we require some goods and some for these all we need some of the goods, some of the things. We need some of the things. We may buy some of the things and we use them. We use them again and again. Small child is there. Mother bought some of the dolls and balls to her. She may use them again and again. That is her want. But wants are used again and again till they spoiled. Okay? A service is a process or activity that someone does for some else. Community helpers provide many services to the helpers, to the people. Service, service means hospital is there. Hospital is there. They are giving the service. Hospitality means they are curing us. It's one of the service. Police station is there. They are also helping us in various items, various things. That is also needed. Post office, they are also giving service to us. Like that, different people are there to serve the people. Okay? Goods and services. These are physical commodities. These are process or activities. Goods and services. These are physical commodities and these are process or activities. These can be touched. These cannot be touched. These can be stored. These cannot be stored. These can be shared. These cannot be shared. Goods and services. Goods means things. Goods means things. Things can be shared with others. You have a lot of toys. If you have lot of toys, they may share to another. నీ దగ్గర చాలా టాయ్స్ ఉన్నాయిరా, నువ్వు అందరికీ షేర్ చేస్తావు దాన్ని. You are able to share them. Otherwise, you have a bike. The bike also share it to other. You have a cycle. That is also shared to other. Goods are shared to other. But services are not shared to anyone. Service. Your mother is giving service to you. Is she sharing to other? మమ్మీ మీకు సర్వీస్ చేస్తుందిరా, ఈ సర్వీస్ మమ్మీ ఇంకెవరికైనా షేర్ చేస్తుందా? నో. లైక్ దట్ ద సర్వీసెస్ ఆర్ నాట్ షేర్డ్. ఓన్లీ ద గూడ్స్ కెన్ బి షేర్డ్. అండ్ ఆల్సో ద గూడ్స్ కెన్ బి టచ్. మనం గూడ్స్ మనకు వీఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ద గూడ్స్, వీఆర్ ఏబుల్ టు సీ ద థింగ్స్. మనకు థింగ్స్ కనబడుతున్నాయి. Okay, మన toys, we are able to see our toys, we are able to see our bike, we are able to see our bicycle. Like that, we are able to see our new clothes. We are able to see them and we are able to touch them. But the service, your mother is feeding you, that is a service. That services are not seen. Chase work is not shown, it is not seen. Next, how to get the required goods and services. How do you pay for them? Suppose your mother gave you some money and asked if you bring 5 eggs from the shop. The shopkeeper gave you 6 eggs for the same amount. While returning home, you wanted to have an ice candy. You went to the vendor and asked to give you a candy for that extra egg. But he refused, saying that he would accept money only, not the egg. You purchased the egg for money at one shop, but you could not purchase a candy for the egg at another shop. Why? What happened? You Your mother asked you to buy 5 eggs at the shop. Okay? So you went into that shop. Your mother has given some 30 rupees. Okay? She asked you only the 5 eggs. She thought that each one 6 rupees. Okay? So you went into the shop. You gave you 30 rupees. He gave you 30 rupees to the shopkeeper. When you gave 30 rupees to the shopkeeper gave you 6 eggs. Understand? Actually, your mother thought 6 paisa. Okay? Sorry, 5 6. Each egg is 6 rupees antundi my mummy. And 30 rupees ichindra. But now 5 rupees for each egg. 6 5 30. 5 rupees for each egg. Each egg ku ఎన్ని రూపీస్ ఇప్పుడు 1 రూపాయి తగ్గిందిరా. 1 రూపీస్ డిక్రీజ్. అంటే ఒక ఎగ్ కి 5 రూపీస్. కాబట్టి ఎన్ని ఎగ్స్ వచ్చాయి? 6. Okay? Shopkeeper gave you 6 eggs to you. You are coming home by fetching 6 eggs. 6 eggs తీసుకొని వస్తున్నారు. On the way, you want to eat ice candy, means ice cream. You want to eat ice candy, ice cream తినాలనిపించింది. Okay? Ice cream shop is another shop. This grocery shop is another. Onara? We may get the ice creams in the bakery. So that boy went to the bakery. You want the ice cream, no? Actually, mother want 5 eggs, no? 1 egg is extra, no? Your mother asked to buy only 5 eggs. Now 1 more extra egg is there, no? He went to bakery and asked the shopkeeper to take this egg and give the ice candy and adiguthadu. Will he give? He went to the boy went to the bakery and he asked for the ice candy instead of the egg. Understand me? ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ ఎగ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది కదా, ఒక ఎగ్ తీసుకొని నాకు ఒక ఐస్ క్యాండీ అని అడుగుతాడు. Will he give? Will the shopkeeper will give? Will the bakery person will give? No. Why? Why he won't give? Let's see. Any commodity or service can be exchanged for money and money can be exchanged for any commodity or service. All people accept money as payment for goods and services. Understand me? Here goods are not exchanges here. We may get everything in the world with the help of money only. Actually, this bakery is another shop and grocery shop is another. Okay, so if the boy is asked for the ice cream instead of the egg, he won't give. If the boy give the money to the bakery man, then the bakery man will give the ice cream. Understand? Here the goods are not exchanging. Goods exchange కాదు ఇక్కడ. ఎగ్ తీసుకొని ఐస్ క్రీమ్ అంటే ఇవ్వరు ఇక్కడ. Means the goods are not exchanging here. What is exchanging here? Money. Money is exchanging. If we give the money, he may give the goods. Everything in the world will sell by only the money. Without money, nobody will give. There is no exchanging of goods. Goods ni exchange చేసుకొని ఇమ్మంటే ఎవరు ఇవ్వరు. దేనికి ఇస్తారు? If we give the money, then only they will give. Money is the payment for the things, for our goods. The generally accepted form of money including coins and paper notes that is issued and circulated by the government is called a currency. Every country has its own currency. The currency of our country is rupee, USK is dollar, UK is pound, and Europe is mostly euro, and Japan is yen. Amma, every country, not only our India, every country, they have, they printed some of the notes and coins. It is reserved by the, it is printed by the Reserve Bank. It is reserved by the, it is printed, money is printed by the Reserve Bank of India. Okay, the Reserve Bank, which the Reserve Bank will printed the money is called currency. Is called as currency. Our Indian's currency is counted by rupee. Our Indian currency is counted in rupees, and the USA's currency is dollar, and UK's is pound. Europe currency is called as euro, and Japan's currency is called as yen. Like that, different countries are having the different currency. Okay, our Indian's currency is a rupee, Japan's yen, Europe euro, USA dollar, UK pound. Okay, like that, not only these are all the countries, different countries are having the different currency. Okay. When there was a money, how could people meet their needs? Today's class is completed. Bye.